Welcome to the podcast, everyone. We're diving into the impact of AI on transforming the hiring process and the wider workforce, particularly how it revolutionizes talent acquisition.
Absolutely, it's a game changer. What jumps out to you as the most transformative aspect?
Well, firstly, AI's ability to automate routine tasks like candidate sourcing and resume screening. It saves recruiters up to 20% of their work week, which is pretty significant.
Yep, that's amazing, cutting down the grunt work substantially.
And there's more. It notably shortens time to hire from weeks to minutes. I mean,
Wow.
can you imagine what used to take endless back and forth now happens almost instantaneously?
That's true, but doesn't it also create a risk of overlooking the human nuance in hiring?
Right, that's a fair challenge. But apparently, the data shows a huge uplift. With predictive analytics, companies are now matching candidates to jobs with exceptional accuracy, forecasting successful hires almost effortlessly.
And I've heard that as many as 98% of hiring managers report improved efficiency with this approach.
Exactly. Plus, there's a reported 9% improvement in the quality of hires when using AI-assisted messaging. It's like having a well-tuned engine that adjusts for every variable in real time.
That's impressive, though I wonder if that 9% improvement justifies the investment for smaller companies.
That's a valid point. However, think about it. Even a small percentage gain in quality can result in massive downstream benefits, like lower turnover and better overall team performance. It's an investment that pays
Yep,
off
I can
over
see
time.
that. And what's your take on how AI supports skills-based hiring?
Ah, yes, one of the most revolutionary parts. Instead of relying solely on traditional credentials, AI helps expand candidate pools based on skills and potential. It's almost like breaking down old gatekeeping barriers in hiring.
Right, because it enables companies to tap into talent that might otherwise be overlooked if they were only considering conventional degrees.
Exactly, yes. This way, organizations not only improve diversity but also boost workforce agility.
Definitely.
It allows them to adapt quickly to market and technological changes.
It's like having a dynamic system that constantly fine-tunes itself. Speaking of dynamic, wasn't there also mention of an integrated training platform?
Yes, indeed. The discussion highlighted Boost or Bridge, a community-centric training platform that goes beyond traditional learning. It's designed to empower professionals with new skills and leadership strategies.
So it's not just about AI in hiring, but also about enabling ongoing professional growth, right?
Absolutely. It creates a space where individuals can upskill and adapt alongside their organizations. Imagine it as a hub where networking, training, and professional growth intersect, fueling that career progression.
Yeah, that's a fresh take. I love that. However, do you think that this reliance on data and automation might run the risk of narrowing out creativity in recruitment?
Well, that's a nuanced debate. On one hand, AI brings efficiency and consistency. On the other, there's a valid concern that if you're too reliant on automated processes, you might miss those unexpected creative fits.
Exactly. It's like finding a perfect recipe, but then forgetting to add that secret ingredient, that burst of human insight that makes all the difference.
Right? It's crucial for recruiters to maintain a balance, use AI to manage the volume and sift through data, but still inject human judgment and intuition where it matters.
That balance is key, especially in fast-changing industries, isn't it?
Definitely. And let's not forget how AI is also fostering a more inclusive talent pool by looking beyond traditional criteria, which is a significant move towards equal opportunity in hiring.
Absolutely. And that ties directly into improving workforce agility, correct? By having a more diverse team, companies are more adaptable.
Spot on. The adaptability isn't just about skills, but also about diverse perspectives. This, in turn, makes companies more resilient against market shifts.
I can see that. The efficiency stats are really compelling. But what about the long-term implications on recruiter roles?
Good question. The idea isn't to eliminate the recruiter role, but to transform it. When AI takes over the repetitive tasks, recruiters can focus more on strategic matters, like building relationships and understanding the unique needs of their team.
Yeah, that shift sounds promising. So it's like free up the human element for what truly matters in hiring.
Exactly. And this transformation extends beyond just hiring. It's about building a holistic ecosystem where AI, training platforms like Boost, Bridge, and continuous learning all work hand in hand.
And I suppose this integration is what their funding drives are all about?
Yes, indeed. The content also touched on the importance of public support and funding to keep researching and developing these systems. Donations and support from the community fuel the research that, in turn, powers these innovative ecosystems.
It's almost like that crowdsourced spirit of innovation we see in startups, but on a larger scale.
Right, exactly. The whole ecosystem is built on collaboration between technology providers, research communities, and even the end users who benefit from enhanced career growth and streamlined hiring.
Yep, very collaborative. This collaborative approach, in my view, is essential for a sustainable business model in today's AI-driven world. But isn't there a risk that as we scale, some of the individualized attention might drop off?
That's a valid critique. As companies rely more on data-driven approaches, they need to remain vigilant in ensuring that personalized engagement isn't lost. Think of it as scaling up while keeping the human touch intact.
It's a tricky balance, but one that frankly is essential for long-term success, right?
Absolutely. The future of work isn't just about fast hires or efficient processes. It's about smart integration of technology with human insight to create a robust, agile workforce ecosystem.
Yeah, I totally agree. This transformation in hiring and in work altogether is really exciting to watch unfold. Thanks for laying out all these insights. It's given me a lot to think about.
Thanks for the chat. It's always a pleasure to delve into these topics and consider how AI is reshaping our professional landscapes.